Hello viewer, we are going to make the designs shapes as well. Let's create different structure and designs within that. So there we are finding a picture. There are the shapes we can make in it. Let's take a different shape. So add a paint into that selected area using the